Exercise 45. Copy the code that you wrote to find the animal with the longest name and paste it in a new function called longest name. So the code is here, it's from our previous exercise. Then write a program that has the list of animal names, passes this list to the function named longest name, uses this function to return the name of the animal with the longest name, then prints the animal with the longest name is dash, and this print statement should be outside the function. Okay, so let's copy this function, or rather this code, and we paste it in a new function. Now we need to make some adjustments here. First of all, of course, we indent this. Then this list should be outside the function. Then we call the function and pass the list to it. Then we adjust some names here to use our list name or a parameter. So for animal in my list, that's it really. Okay, we don't really need this line, but we can leave it there. This last line, number 8, line 8. So, sorry, this should be that. Then we need to put this, there is what is returned here. Oh, that's not it. We need to return. We need to return the name of the longest, the name of the animal with the longest name, or the longest name. So we return my longest here after the for loop is finished. So basically, this function receives a list. It starts with a length of 0, and for each animal in this list that it receives, we also don't need this. It checks if the length of the name of the animal is greater than the current longest name that we have. If it is, then that animal becomes the one with the longest name. And that length, the length of the name of that animal is the current longest that we have. So it checks that for each animal in the list. But this was covered in a previous exercise. So here we're just using a function to do the same thing. So then it returns, when it is done with that, it returns with the one which has remained. When it has finished that, it returns with the name of the animal which has remained as the longest name. So we need to put this in a variable. Let's just call it longest. So this variable will receive whatever values returned from the function. And we don't need this part here. So that should do it. If we run that, it says the longest animal name is rabbit. If we test with something else, elephant, and we run that again. The longest animal name is elephant. Okay, so that's it. If you're finding these exercises useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you need one-on-one coaching in Python, please sign up at owendevs.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.